Hello fam, on today's video we are going to cook fried rice, and these are my ingredients for the fried rice. These spring onions, carrots, green beans and green pepper. So this is my rice. I've already washed it, so join me, let's make this delicious fried rice. And this is the chicken that we are going to use to make this fried rice. Chicken, how are you? How are you? So this is the chicken that we're going to use for the fried rice. This is my ginger and garlic for the fried rice. So let me pound it. So this is pepper. So I'll just add a little groundnut oil. Yeah. Just a little because we'll still fry our veggies with groundnut oil. Next is our ginger and garlic with pepper. Going next is curry. So this is the curry I'm using. Fried rice is all about curry. You have to add enough curry. Yeah. Another spice is thyme. Yeah, this is enough. So this is spicy tea for fried rice. Then seasoning cube. So this is my seasoning cube. So we have to cover to boil a little while before adding the rice. This is salt. Then we'll cover. Chicken that we're going to use to make our delicious stew. Chicken, stand up so that they will see you. This is we trying to kill our chicken. So we are trying to kill our chicken for the fried rice. Yeah. And this is our fried rice. So let me cover it to cook.
Someone like chicken is ready. Someone like chicken.
I Our fried rice is ready. It's remaining for us to fry it. So let's start. So this is ground soy for the veggies. So let's add onion. So this is green beans. And this is carrots. So this is spicy tea. Let's add it. So this is spring onion. So this is green pepper. And this is fry liver. This is my seasoning here. And the fried rice is giving. Our fried rice is giving. Hope you like the color. Yeah. Our fried rice is ready. Trust me, it's very, very delicious. So, Grandma, how is the food?
The food is very, very delicious.
Okay. thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Okay,
Okay.
bye bye.
Bye.